This is a brand new 2011 Ford F-150. It has a 5.0-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a moonroof, cooled seats, a low tire pressure indicator, a DVD video player, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a leather interior, running boards, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, an anti-lock braking system, parking distance sensors, and a trailer towing package. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Team Ford of Marietta is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 869 Cobb Parkway South in Marietta.